Good morning, grade 6. Today we will start a new unit, Unit 13, Graphs, 13.1 Plotting Coordinates, page 129. Our objective today, read and plot coordinates of points determined by geometric information in all four quadrants. A graph is a useful way to show the connection between two variables. Graphs are a way of showing information as images that are easy to understand. For example, how does your health mass vary with your height? Or how does the mass of a baby increase with age? Or how does the price of fuel vary from one month to the next? Now I will ask you a question. Could you mention the location of this place? Yes, it's Mecca in Saudi Arabia. And how about this place? Yes, it's Eiffel Tower in Paris. To locate each of these places on a map, we use coordinate plane. Coordinate plane. What's the meaning of coordinate plane? A coordinate grid is a pair of number lines called axes at right angle to each other and crossing at the point where the value on both number lines is 0. This point is called the origin. On a basic coordinate grid based on the value of two variables x and y, the horizontal axis is the x-axis. The vertical one is the y-axis. You can identify any point on a coordinate grid by stating its coordinates. These are the x value and the y value at the given point. They are written as a pair in brackets. The x coordinate or x value is the distance of the point from the origin along the horizontal axis. If the point is to the left of the origin, the x value will be negative. The y coordinate or y value is the distance up or down the vertical axis. Up is positive, down is negative. The coordinate grid is divided into four quadrants. Any point in the coordinate plane is characterized by two coordinates. Let's consider point A. Point A is located in quadrant 1. To find its coordinates, simply draw two parallel lines to the two axes and read the two numbers of intersection. 5, 4 is an example of an ordered pair in quadrant 1. To plot this point, it's like entering a hotel. 3 steps to the left and up the elevator 4 steps. The point -3, 4, it's in quadrant 2. Now we have this example. Identify the coordinates of points C, D, E, and F. In which quadrant is each point located? C is 4, 5. So 4, 5 located in quadrant 1. D is 3 minus 5. It's in quadrant 4. E minus 5, 2. It's in quadrant 2. F minus 3 minus 3. It's in quadrant 3. Now it's your turn. Plot the following points: E50, F06, G-4, 0, H0-3. And can you tell me in which quadrant it's located? Let's see the answer together. Point E50, point F08, and point G-4, 0, and finally point H0-3. What do you notice about their coordinates? All points lie on the axis, not in quadrants. Some points are not located on a quadrant, they are located on axis. So if they ask us that where is this point located, you can say this point is located on x-axis or on y-axis. Now it's your turn. In what quadrant or axis is each point located? Now let's solve this example together. The coordinates of three corners of a square are 4, 1, 4, -5, and -2, -5. Find the coordinates of the fourth corner. Find the coordinates of the center of the square. How we will solve this example? First, draw a coordinate grid. Second, plot the 3 points, 1, 2, and 3 points. Then join them up to form 2 lines at a right angle. Draw 2 more lines to give the other sides of the square. Where you can see where these 2 lines are intersect. This is the fourth point. What is the point? It's -2, 1. To find the center of the square, draw the diagonals as shown in red. They cross at the center of the square. You can see this is the center of the square. At which point? 1, -2. Now we have the last question. It's question number 2 from course book, page 130. A. Write down the coordinate of the points P and Q. B. M is the midpoint of P and Q. Write down the coordinate of M. First, we will draw Q. Q located in the first quadrant. The x-axis for Q is 4 and the y-axis is 1. P is located in the fourth quadrant. The x-axis for P is 4 and the y-axis is -3. To find the midpoint, it's the halfway between P and Q. So the half between P and Q is 4 - 1. So it's located the midpoint between Q and P is 4 - 1. Thank you.